What's going on, YouTube? Thank y'all for tuning in. One of my subscribers actually asked me how he can become more spiritual, and that's what I'm going to be making this video about. So first things first, right? There is no such meaning by saying, oh, someone is more spiritual than somebody else, because first things first, we're all one. But I'm going to be giving you guys some advice and some tips and some game on how you can become more spiritual as an individual. You feel me? So first things first, bro. You really want to start drinking a lot more water, okay? Because when you drink more water, you are more lighter in weight. And when you are more lighter in weight, then you will be able to explore more. You will feel more good. You feel me? You will be able to connect. You'll be able to connect with yourself more. So that's why you want to start drinking more and more water. You feel me? And another thing is that if you want to become more spiritual, what you want to do is you want to say affirmations, okay? You want to say affirmations like, I am successful, I am wealthy, or even I am more spiritual. If you're trying to become more spiritual, say I am more spiritual. You know what I'm saying? Things like that. You want to start saying affirmations. Taking cold showers is going to help you too. How's it going, brother?
Good, how are you?
Good. You know what I'm saying? You want to be doing all that. So doing those things is going to help you out, tremendously in becoming more spiritual. The reason why I do this, because there's really no definition for being spiritual. You can be anything that you want to be. When you realize that you are spiritual, that means that you realize that you can be anything that you want to be, because realizing that you're spiritual means that you have a soul and you don't really identify with this human body vessel no more. You identify yourself as a spiritual being, with somebody with a soul. You feel me? Things like that. So yeah, so another way that you can become more spiritual, bro, is literally subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. And free advertisement now on this plan. But yeah, if you're a male, go on semen retention. You feel me? Go on semen retention, hold that God energy in, and you will definitely feel yourself becoming more spiritual. Don't try to become spiritual, become spiritual. You feel me? Don't try to be spiritual. Don't try to be spiritual. Just be it, and you will be more spiritual. You feel me? And some other ways that you can be spiritual, you can be more spiritual, is actually by giving more, helping people out. You feel me? Loving, giving love, meditating. Meditation helps out a lot if you're trying to become more spiritual. You feel me? But if you're just a beginner to this whole awakening, if you're a beginner to awakening and you are just waking up, and you are just awakening right now, you are just waking up right now, and what I would advise y'all to do is cut out the music, cut out any bad videos that you watch. You feel me? Cut out anything that's negative. Cut out anything that's stopping you and blocking you. Remove all negative things. Remove all bad things that's in your life. Remove anything and everything that does not serve you anymore, and literally become somebody else. Become a different person. Quantum leap, quantum jump. Do research on manifesting. You feel me? Like do research on quantum jumping. Do research on this and that. You feel me? All that those things are gonna help you evolve more as a spiritual being. You know what I'm saying? By doing research like that. Just go within yourself. Once you realize that all the answers and the knowledge that I need is really just within myself, then boom, you feel me? You're gonna start working on yourself. Think of this body as a vessel. Think of this body as a temple. You know what I'm saying? And that's going to be helping you out as well. If you want a part 2, let me know. But that's all I got for you, bro. Take it easy. Peace and love.